What's up, hustlers? Faviola, the CEO Hustler here. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for some tips, guidance, advice on how to start and grow your business, you are in the right channel. Well, I just want to let you know, if you're following me on social media, you're always going to see posts with regards to positivity, motivation, my day-to-day life as an entrepreneur, as well as an interpreter. I also share lots of things regarding my family because I think it's so important for you guys to get to know who I really am and what I do and what I provide. So I wanted to answer some questions with regards to those of you that are asking, how do I grow my business? How do I, create my process, so on and so forth. So if you, first of all, if you have not downloaded the Hustler Plan, I want to invite you to download it. The link is in the bio. This plan is basically what I utilize at the end of the year and literally every single month. It helps me plan not only for the day, for the month, for the next 30, 60, 90 days, because it's super important to have a strategic plan with regards to who you're going to market to, how much you want to make, how much you need to make in order for you to cover your overhead, your costs, your day-to-day business expenses, as well as your life, right? So one of the things that I share in this Hustler Plan is basically how I start my day, my daily routine. Also, if you have not created your year-end review as well as your beginning year, this plan is going to help you with asking you questions and also providing you tips with regards to what you need to do in order for you to plan and close out your year the right way. Also, it's going to help you basically, kind of do like a quick review with regards to what you did, what you didn't do, what you wish you would have done in 2019, and what you need to do in order for you to start growing your business in 2020. Because you cannot grow a business without having the right plan, the right strategy, the right processes. I don't care what anyone tells you. Without this, without having that blueprint, that roadmap, you're not going to go anywhere. You're going to continue to go in circles. You're going to continue to wake up day in, go to sleep, day out, with all of these struggles and challenges, and I got to do this and I got to do that, and everything, keeping everything in your head is not healthy. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. So one of the things that I want you to keep in mind, if it's not in writing, it did not happen. Yes. So you want to have things in writing. You want to make sure that you create that plan. You want to make sure that you have an idea of your goals and vision for the next 30, 60, 90 days in order for you to grow your business. So once again, I am completely booked for the month of January, both interpreting, translations, business coaching, workshops and training, the whole 9 yards. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. But also, I am completely booked, almost completely booked for the month of February. Now, usually, like I said, I try to plan my months, making sure that I'm booked for the month of January, February, and I try to get into March, at least for the first 90 days, and kind of see what I need to change or what I need to add as I move forward in the upcoming 6 months. So it's super important that you map out your goals, that you have a clear plan, process, and procedures in order for you to meet those goals. So once again, if you have not downloaded this Hustler Plan, I completely suggest that you do so. Have an awesome day.